Hi riders! Welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2022 Harley-Davidson Lowrider El Diablo first look. So make sure to watch the full video. The Harley-Davidson Icons collection continues to expand. This time, we get the 2022 Harley-Davidson Lowrider El Diablo. Harley-Davidson takes the standard Lowrider ST Cruiser/Sport/Tourer and gets serious about red paint and big sound. The layered paint job is undoubtedly worthy of the Icons collection. Gunslinger Custom Paint, who does the work by hand, starts with an El Diablo bright red base. That's followed by an El Diablo bright red sunglow pass, with the paint featuring a candy effect thanks to a tinted clear element. Next, the artisans mask off red pinstripes so they can add a layer of dark red pearl, and El Diablo dark red is faded around the panels. Then, there's more masking before applying an El Diablo dark red metallic layer that surrounds the El Diablo bright red. The colors meet in a fade. When the masking is removed, the El Diablo bright red pinstripes show themselves on the fairing, tank sides, fenders, and cases. Finally, pale gold pinstriping is hand-applied inside the El Diablo bright red panels. To give the shades of El Diablo red even more impact, the front end, powertrain, and exhaust get black finishing. A matte dark bronze finish contrasts the radiant cast aluminum wheels. Okay, so now you've got everyone's attention. Now it's time to play DJ for everyone in your vicinity. The new Lowrider El Diablo features Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate. That gets you a 250-watt amp in the fairing, plus 5.25-inch woofers and a pair of remote tweeters. A smartphone app gives you control over the system, including automatic speed-based volume adjustment, a 7-band equalizer, and a configurator for the entire system. Your smartphone streams to the system via Bluetooth 4.2, rather than the BT5 protocol that has been around since 2020. Other than weighing a few pounds more than the standard 2022 Harley-Davidson Lowrider ST that we have tested due to the addition of the sound system, the 2022 Harley-Davidson Lowrider El Diablo should ride the same as the ST. There will be 1,500 examples of the Lowrider El Diablo, with the motorcycles individually numbered on the tank. As part of the Icons collection, Harley-Davidson is asking for a $6,250 premium for the El Diablo compared to the ST. The 2022 Harley-Davidson Lowrider El Diablo hits showroom floors in the fall with the price tag of $27,999, though that doesn't include a $750 factory surcharge. What do you think about the new Lowrider El Diablo? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.